Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload designs on CustomCat. So if you want to upload a product, so you need to create an account first, and then here you have to scroll down and then look for create a product or add a product. You have to click this one right here. It will take you directly to this create a product, so you can choose from any. Let's just click this one, first one here. And then you have to create product by just a single listing first, since that's one you have selected. So you can create from any of the template or design right here. Let's just say you're going to sell mugs. So you have to click on this one. And then in order for you to upload a design or your own design, I strongly suggest to use this editing platform, which is Canva. So you can go to Canva, create an account. It's just plainly simple. Then you can now create design. Now search for mug right here. Click this one. And it will take you to this where you can see lots of designs for mugs. But if you are using the basic version, then you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock other designs right here. But don't worry, even if you're using the basic version, you can still use from or you can use any design right here as long as it has no pro icon or crown icon. So just select, just click, and it will show the design right here inside the mug. You can delete this one. You can add a text if you want, or go to elements and look for a specific icon, sticker, or any object that you want to add here. For example, pets, cats. You can just click and then paste it anywhere. For example, this part right here, and then add more. But actually, everything is up to you. I know that you can do better than this. But once you're done with your editing or designing your mug, then you can just click at the share icon above and then download PNG. Now go back to your custom cat, and then you can now look for upload the design from Canva, and this is what it looks like. So basically, you can just change this one if you want. You can go to custom and place the design according to what you want. And that's it. Now you can go to Canva and then create another design again. But this is how simple it is to upload designs on CustomCat. You can also go back to Canva, search for shirt design if you want to upload or sell shirts. There are tons of shirt designs there, dress, shoes, and so on. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.